Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the app that holds the content. Once there, tap and hold the text or image until selection handles appear. Use your finger to drag those handles to include exactly what you need, because precision matters. When the selection is correct, tap Copy in the pop-up menu to place that content into the iPhone clipboard. Once done, the clipboard now holds the most recent item, and you're ready to move to the place where you'll paste it. Now switch to the app or field where you want the content to go, tap the text insertion point, or hold in an empty area to bring up the contextual menu. Select Paste and the clipboard's most recent item will appear. Make sure to review formatting and adjust if needed. If you need to paste several items, use an app with a clipboard manager or repeat copy-paste steps. Remember, the iPhone clipboard holds only the last copied item unless a manager app. Finish by confirming the pasted material looks correct. If a mistake appears, undo immediately using Shake to undo or the app's Edit Undo command, because fixing quickly avoids lost edits. If paste doesn't work, reopen the source, copy again deliberately, and paste. Sometimes a failed copy is all that's needed. If you often need multiple items, install a Clipboard Manager app. This gives persistent history and makes repeated pastes reliable and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.